Hey everyone, welcome back to our WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all promotions mails in Gmail. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch your Gmail application on your mobile device. Okay, so let me tap open it. Here we go. Now once you are here, simply tap on the three lines icon that you see on the top left corner of your screen. Now, just under Primary, you'll see the option of Promotions. Tap on it. Now, you'll come across this page where you can see all your promotions mail. Now, just long tap on any of these mail. With that, you'll see the option of Select All on top. Tap on it and then just tap on the bin icon at the top right corner of your screen in order to delete these mails. Now you can see that all promotions mail have been removed. Now another step that you can follow is just tap on the three lines icon at the top left again. Now scroll down below and then tap on Settings. Now simply tap on your email address. Now simply tap on the option of Inbox Categories. Now over here that in case of promotions, you have a check mark on this box. Now simply remove this check mark and then from now onwards, you won't be getting any promotions mails on your Gmail. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to fix your issue. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.